Hey guys, Dana Lynnette here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is simply an up close and personal look at my locks at, I want to say 29 months into this journey. I want to give you a little texture shot, let you see how things are going. I'm so pleased with how my DIY Microloc journey is going. So these first few shots are before I wash my hair. Looks like there's a lot of stuff in my hair, which is why I'm about to wash it. I think it's just flaky scalp and a little bit of lint. I'm about due to dye my hair or color it with a rinse. But anyway, then I give you some up close of after washing my hair. And yeah, that's all. Let me know if you have questions.
Alpha and Omega, he be finished before we start. The great I am, the one who let us know who we are. Christ the cardiologist created me a clean heart.